Hello everyone, this is Ellian from Shandong Yomi Intelligent Science and Technology. Welcome to Yomi. Yomi is one specialized factory in CNC, pipe, beam, plate, cutting, welding, and drilling machineries. Our machine has been exported to 160 countries all over the sea. We have 3 factories located in Dezhou City, and one overseas warehouse in South Africa, and 2 research centers in Jinan and Shanghai. And our factories, we have 9 workshops. Today I will introduce our CNC plate plasma cutting machine, the table type workshop. You can see there are 10 size CNC plate drilling cutting machine. They will be delivered to South Africa. This machine is widely used and can customize the colors and also the CNC control systems and the CNC, the THC. They are customized for our dealers. We have many dealers all over the world. For example, South Africa, Middle East, South Asia, and Europe, and United States, all over the sea. And our machine is with best quality. And this machine is also widely used in the steel plate, the metal processing and cutting and advertisement industries. It is very widely used, so it will be favored by customers. We will introduce this machine in detail later. Okay, that's all.